morning, everyone. Hello. I just woke up right now. Today's Thursday. I actually filmed a vlog yesterday, which you guys won't see maybe next week, until next week. It's a sponsor video, so you guys will see it when it gets approved. I have a shirt right here. Where did that come from? Will I make it? Yeah, I did. That was not that hard. So today's Thursday, like I said, so I just woke up. Like, okay, why am I repeating myself? I have some homework that I need to do, and then later tonight I have a baseball game with my sorority, which will be really fun. We're going to the Diamondbacks game, which is like Arizona. I was gonna say NBA. It's not NBA. I don't know what the word is. I'm not cultured. But where's my notebook? Oh, there it is. Right now I'm about to do my psychology stuff. So basically I need to read an entire chapter of the textbook and then take a couple quizzes on it and then take 2 tests, and then I'll be done. It normally takes like 4 hours, but it's fine. Everything's fine.
Anyone who might diagnose or treat an individual with a mental disorder outside the Chinese classification of mental disorders. Likewise, when healthy.
If you guys have been watching my videos recently, you guys know that I get the same lunch every single day. So loud. A salad, a granola bar, blurry, oh my gosh, hi, hello, and a water. The lack of healthy food here like really makes me want to eat healthy food, and this is the only thing that's like slightly healthy in here, and like also is protein. The dining hall does not have protein. It literally just has like pasta and sandwiches, which I love pasta and sandwiches, but I don't want to eat them every single day. So this is like my only thing that I can get that's like actually kind of healthy since I've been I dropped the water. Since I've been craving healthy food, that's all I've been eating. I'll show you guys my outfit. Ignore my mess behind me. I hope you can't see it. These are from Fabletics. This is from BooHoo. I got this when I was like a freshman or sophomore in high school. And then these shoes I always wear when I just need to like go out really quickly, and they're from Rue 21, and they're kind of falling apart because I wear them a ton. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm about to get ready for the baseball game that I'm going to with my sorority. The AC is right there. It's really loud. I apologize. But I took my test and I hung out with a friend for like an hour, so I was really sick and I was not about to be like a bad friend, put them on the internet when they looked deathly. I'll be vlogging the game, hopefully, unless I get super awkward, which hopefully I won't. My friend Taylor and I are gonna show up late and we're gonna take the light rail, which I don't know. Do you guys have light rails where you guys are? It's just kind of like a train subway thing. I don't know how to describe it, but I've never taken it and I'm really excited. So I'm going to get ready right now. Here's what I'm wearing to the baseball game. So I just have this same shirt on that I've been wearing all week. And then these shorts are, oh my god, they're kind of like up my butt, sorry. They're from American Eagle. And then I just had my hair, I've never done my hair like this. This is a better view. I've never done my hair like this. It's like a mid ponytail and it's not like slicked back, it's like side. So don't know how I feel about it. Might change my shirt because I feel like I change into the same shirt but in black. We're at the game now. We got pretzels and all of our friends literally disappeared.
And lemonade, you can't go.
Oh yeah, you can't. $15 right there.
Hey, it's the best $15 I've ever spent.
Really?
Maybe. At least I didn't have to pay for parking.
Where'd he go? Is he done?
Woo! Woo! Buddy, go!
The little kid's running.
Buddy, he's gonna do it!
Oh my god, he's gonna do it!
Dang, I couldn't do that.
I couldn't do it. Woo! Yay! They're watching when our sorority was on Ellen. What? Wait, should we just zoom in?
Way too much.
They were on. That's ours. Did she just say ew? That's us.
She don't even know.
What? She don't know. Ellen gave us $10,000.
What?
Yeah.
Any cool?
That was really cool. It's a kiss. Oh my god! It zooms so slow. Oh, they're gonna kiss. Oh, kiss the daughter. Kiss the daughter. Yes! That's a guy. That's what. Oh, that guy just kissed in the random. Hey guys, editing Keegan here. I apologize that this video was so short compared to most of my day in my life. I thought I had so much more footage than I actually did. I just spent most of the day doing homework that I like couldn't really show you guys. I guess that's why. After the baseball game, they gave us free coupons for a Polar Pop, which is basically just like a giant drink you can get at a convenience store. So Taylor and I went and got Polar Pops, but my hands were so full carrying everything, like my keys, the 2 Polar Pops, the camera, all the stuff that I didn't vlog it because I didn't have enough hands to do that. So, and then after that I just went to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. I promise I'll have more entertaining ones coming up, but I love you. My bun's falling out. Okay, well, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Wait, actually, side note, follow me on Instagram if you're not. I'm almost at 30,000 followers. I'd really like to get there. Cool. Okay, sorry. I love you. Okay, bye.